Hey everybody, Dawn here, your nutrition evangelist. I put the fun back into being healthy, and today I am on Goat Island in the Newport, Rhode Island area, and all month long in October, we're talking about, are you doubling down on your health goals, or are you kind of throwing up your hands and saying, the holidays are coming soon, the Halloween candy, the Thanksgiving turkey, the Christmas dinner, and I'll start again in January. And while it is a stunningly gorgeous day here in Newport and we are walking around, I want to talk a little bit about getting ready for the holidays, even though the weather definitely seems like summer. And so I was able to get away for a night with my husband to celebrate our wedding anniversary, and because my kiddo is away for the week in Vermont, which is super exciting, and we walk a lot. We walked, we had some great food. Check out my personal feed for some foodie pictures, as well as my group, Never Diet Again. And we got tons and tons of steps. I got to stretch at the hotel gym this morning. We got to sleep in a little bit. And this, for me, is recharging in preparation for whatever craziness is going to come up over the next couple of months from a holiday perspective. And don't worry, we're going to be talking about how to fit in recharge time all throughout the next couple of months of craziness that may or may not ensue in your life. But for now, I want to say, take a deep breath, live in the moment. Don't worry or think about what's coming up from a holiday or food perspective or whatever kind of busyness comes upon you during the holiday season. Enjoy whatever day you've got today. Take some time to breathe and relax and recharge in whatever way that moves you. For me, I love the sun. I love wandering around and people watching. And hey, I'm in Newport, so I'm yacht watching as well. And then I'll get back to everything tomorrow, and we'll be back at it. And we'll be talking more and more about how to make sure we take good care of ourselves and recharge during this holiday season. So if you have any questions, tag me below. My challenge to you is for today, live in today. Find the time for you so that you can take a deep breath, relax, and be better able, be more resilient to handle what the day, the week, the month throws at you. Until next time, what I hope for you is that you live a life you love without being hungry, feeling deprived, or giving up your glass of wine with dinner. The time is now. This is your time. Let's get off the sidelines and back into the game.